Looking for a reliable way to keep your temperature-sensitive medications safe on the go? Keck Health. The emergence of new coolers provides the best solution for your travel. Before leaving in the morning, rinse with clean water for 30 seconds. After drying the gel bottle, put it in the cup and put the insulin pens in it. 2 degrees Celsius, just like it understands my peace of mind at this moment. Whether you're on a road trip or on your way to the airport, you can keep it at the optimal temperature. It's the perfect size to fit in your carry-on luggage. TSA approval also adds an extra layer of assurance when traveling and allows your life-sustaining insulin to stay cool and avoid damage. And you don't even need to use the airplane's refrigerator to store it. Whether you are driving, flying, or hiking outdoors, it can be securely stuffed into a backpack, a car cup holder, or the side pocket of a suitcase. Keep your temperature-sensitive medicines safe at all times, so you don't have to travel with fear this time. Just put the gel bottle back in the freezer when you get home, and the cooler will be ready for your next trip.